Llovet Design. Our company was founded over 6 years ago in Canada. We offer home renovation and brand new residential projects. We work very close with all our clients from initial consultation all the way throughout the final completion of the project. We provide with floor plans in detail, 3D rendering, and mood boards. Our main target is to anticipate our client needs and surpass, therefore, their expectations. We spoke in 3 different languages: English, Spanish, and French. Welcome to Llovet Design. Contact us by email at llovetdesign